Really?
Yes.
Which house?
That yellow one right there.
Really?
Oh, really?
3 dead bodies.
What?
Really? Looks like there's another one right down the road.
Sometimes those are the best, the ones that we don't know about. Yay, and I found a really good one. This fiber remember.
Yeah. 23A.
Yeah, these are double. Your white ones are
A lot of
big for the
triple.
door.
A wreath?
Yeah, this might be nice.
You'd have to ask her. I don't know what she's thinking.
Thank you so much.
Scraper from my restaurant.
Found that at the bottom there.
Not my scraper.
Tennis rackets.
Oh, thank
You're
you.
gonna love them. They're beautiful.
Ah,
Hey.
Well, not seeing anything right off the bat.
Okay, well, I don't know about that. I wouldn't go that
A
far.
lot of glass.
You never know.
Love spell.
I'm gonna look for Starbucks.
Yeah, you could look in there.
Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
Are we at a debtor's prison?
What?
Debtor's prison, have you paid?
No.
Oh, okay.
What do you got? Yeah.
I don't know if they're-
Oh, Biltmore. That's North Carolina.
Sweetheart, we have
I
a
don't
little
know if it's
rope.
like Jimmy Bucket, Margarita
Like a
time.
little
No.
rope.
No?
The Biltmore one's kind of cool.
Okay, darling, they're waiting for you. Thank you.
Okay.
$1.
Fish and thing.
Is there stuff inside too, or just outside?
Just furniture.
3 and a
Just
quarter.
furniture?
3 1/4.
Yeah, beautiful.
350.
Can I look at your furniture? Because he needs furniture. He just moved here.
How much is this cup?
Quarter.
Quarter.
oh no, that's mine. It goes over there.
Ma, you got a quarter?
Yeah, I do. I'll buy it. Give it to me. I got a card. I got change.
Not quite what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
$5 for this? It's a good-
I don't want it, but there's no money in it.
Yeah.
If you want it for you,
You know what? I'll have it.
yeah. If you got a quarter,
Yeah, I got
we'll buy this cup because it's cool.
Things in the house for sale too?
I think the furniture.
There you go, we're square.
Rough, rough, rough. Poker chips.
This part over here is our,
That's
3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
That's very nice. I like it.
Our backyard is what's so beautiful. We have the most gorgeous backyard.
Can I take that?
Thank you so much. My granddaughter's thank you.
Backyard. She's telling my mom that she's got the most beautiful backyard. Should we look at it? Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
She's just showing the backyard.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's nice.
All right.
Took advantage of that little dip there.
Oh yeah. Neat. All right. Let's go.
Would you take $5 for the badminton and volleyball? No, because that makes $20.
Hello. New makeup. Mom, motives.
Oh, wow. No.
Girl.
Hey, it's new day.
Nice. Okay, position.
250.
Come on, Dave, you need that. Your wife needs that.
Well, it just,
It's just too much, you know?
it's a little faded.
Just $1? $4.50? $5.50? That's pretty good. Yeah, I do that
Wow.
Yeah, there. But there's a lot of horse stuff. It's popular right now. Horse
Yeah.
things. Yeah. Here,
Placemats.
hi.
Hello, good morning.
How much is this rug?
20 it looks like.
Yeah, 20. It's 20. The sheepskin. It's real sheepskin.
Bah.
Would you take
Might
that
need this for your
Ten?
car.
Oh, no, I
You
won't
want
go
the price
10.
for something
I
else?
might go, what I told, I'll go 15.
Eyeballs for something.
You want it for something else?
You think I could clean it or?
Oh, yeah, there's a way of cleaning sheepskin.
I'll
Yeah.
try. My dog is a pain.
Oh, yeah, my cat used to, like a cheap layer every once in a while. What did I say, 15? Yeah, I'll go 15.
Pure sheepskin. Not good. It wasn't on my list. I just saw the sign. See? This little tiny sign? You're supposed to be my lookout. I almost missed it. Hello.
Oh, how are you doing? Furniture inside. That's what he's looking for.
How are ya?
Good. What are we looking for?
Couches, anything you have. He just moved in.
Oh, so you need stuff.
I need stuff,
You
yeah.
need beds? You need a twin bed? I got a great deal on a.
I don't.
I don't need a bed.
I think I need a full, not a twin. A full or a queen? I should probably figure out. I think it's a queen that I need.
Yeah, right.
You got some stuff in here?
Well, just the furniture and the pictures.
That's a nice couch.
What do you think?
You need furniture?
I need a bookshelf. Yeah, a bookshelf.
No, no, bookshelf.
Nobody has bookshelves anymore. Nobody reads anymore. Hi,
Are you selling?
No, renting. This is my rental, and I'm having to liquidate
Oh, okay.
a new tenant.
Oh, okay, I see.
New tenants coming in. They got their own stuff, so I'll have to get rid of this.
Gotcha, they didn't want it furnished?
No.
Okay. Well, yeah, there's your twin bed. Yeah, I don't need a twin bed.
Right.
It's nice, though.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. How about a side table? You need a side table? I'll sell that separately.
I don't think so. I think we have that. We're still kind of unpacking everything. But I figured I'd come out, kind of see what I could
Hey,
find.
how about these wood chairs?
Those are nice.
I mean, the cushions can be redone. You know?
But where would I put them? I have chairs for my table.
The ones that are at your table now.
Yeah, I have some at my table. Well, I'm sorry you didn't like the quality of my chairs. You can certainly gift me new chairs.
How about a lamp? You need a lamp?
Puzzle clue game.
Oh, the lamps are interesting.
I need like a floor lamp, not a table lamp. Yeah. Okay. Well,
It's
thank.
comforter for the girls.
Okay. Thank you.
You have any furniture?
Furniture.
I mean, I haven't decided if I want to sell my Ethan Allen sofa.
We got an Ethan Allen sofa.
Hmm.
Can we look at it? It might be interesting.
Yeah.
You wanna look
Show
at
it
it,
to
babe?
her?
Mm-hmm.
You can go look at it, Mom.
Yeah.
How you doing
That
today?
doesn't have the power cable.
Oh,
My dog
really?
chewed the little cable that came with it, yeah.
Gotcha.
But you can get those at the Fix-It
Okay.
Fix-It store or whatever.
Yeah,
anywhere.
yeah.
Even Walmart. you can get
They're
them.
pretty common.
Yep.
Have you had a lot of people come to your sale?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've gotten rid of quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I'm surprised to see. But
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
we're just trying to downsize and get rid of some things that we don't usually.
Are you moving, or you're just getting rid of some
Just
stuff?
getting rid of stuff right now. We
Gotcha.
might move later.
Yeah. Oops.
But since the weather's nice, I think it's a good day, you know.
Yeah, it's really nice out today.
This is a nice bag right here. It's got wheels on it.
Oh yeah.
I've used this a few times. I've worked overseas, and I went out and carried these things to the airport.
Really?
Right there.
What is this? Like a wine
It's
fridge?
a wine cooler, yeah.
That's cool.
It's a dual zone, dual temperature zone. You have two different,
Wow.
like for your whites, you want it cooler.
Right.
And then your dark wines, you want it
A little
maybe
bit.
a degree or two.
That makes sense. That's neat. I like the two different.
Very nice.
Temperature
How much
zones.
do you want for you?
I was gonna.
It's nice, but it's only one piece. That's the
It's a
problem.
two-seater.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's very. How about the neck here, Dave?
No, I already have one.
Yeah, he's looking for like
Those
the.
are left-hander clubs.
Oh really?
Yep.
How much are they?
What do I have on them? I don't even know.
Zero.
Like 10
You
bucks
have them
each.
free.
How much?
Free. It says zero.
Put a
The
free on
price,
that?
like 10 bucks
Yeah.
each.
$10 each. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. What would you give me for them? Because I don't know. too much
Oh man,
about
I don't know either. Callaway, what do we got here?
Expensive.
That goes for, I don't know.
Big
it's
Bertha
like just
Fusion.
70 bucks on the
On
bag.
what?
Yeah.
There's a free cat.
For my cat? That's a cat thing?
For a cat?
They're like reserve. Oh, no.
Well,
I think it's for a dog, not a cat.
Yeah, I think it's about
I
that.
don't know.
That's a big fan.
Yeah.
Anything, Dave? You don't want the golf carts?
I don't think I need more golf clubs, honestly. I like them, but I don't think I
Are
need
you
them.
left-handed?
No, that's part of the problem.
Right. So that's what it is.
All right, well, thank you guys.
Looked at it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we couldn't get into the garage.
Yes. Well, now you can.
Now we see why we couldn't get into the garage, right?
Exactly.
Lots of stuff.
Yeah.
You bought the house?
No, they did buy a house. We didn't buy your house. No.
Okay.
No.
No, but did you find the house?
Yeah, they did. My son,
Hmm.
Take it all, sir.
I
David,
$5 for all.
was seeing what you had. See if there's anything I like. No. No.
$5 for all.
where are you guys?
Not wet.
I'm not sure yet, man. Texas for right now. I'm still right there.
Oh,
I'm not going
okay.
anywhere.
Moving to Texas, huh?
Yes.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, I miss Texas. I
Yeah.
miss the food. I miss the people. I miss
Good
the-
food, yeah.
I miss a lot of stuff.
Oh, David.
Doggies. Yeah.
I don't have the luck.
You don't have the lock?
Yeah.
What all do you film? I know she got a GoPro bag and everything.
Just yard sales.
Go
Oh, you
Just,
film?
yeah, yard sales, yeah.
inside.
You have stuff inside?
No, he's talking to the dogs.
Yeah, I do have
There is
furniture
stuff-
for
there's
sale.
You have furniture? Oh, let's
Yeah.
go look at it.
We probably saw it.
Do you have a bookshelf?
A bookshelf?
Yeah. I'm looking for a book. Hi, guys. How are you? Yeah.
It's a
Nice
cool
bike.
bike. Yeah. The big wheels.
Hi. Don't get nervous with me. I don't bite. Only on Mondays.
Hello, doggy.
That table and the coffee table and the lamp table,
Yeah.
all that for $750. And also this bedroom set. The whole bedroom set is was selling it for $1,500. I would go for $800. The whole set is a king size.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Wow.
Nice big
That's
set,
very good.
yeah.
that's it.
Good job.
You see any bookshelves, Mom?
No, I don't see any books. Nobody reads anymore.
But it was time for us to move on. We have no business. We can just take that anymore.
Really?
Yes.
Which house?
That yellow one right there.
Really?
Oh, really?
3 dead bodies.
What?
Really?
3 dead bodies came from that house.
You're kidding me.
No,
When?
I'm not.
Wow.
I'm done.
Wow.
He's talking about
I don't blame you.
Yeah, he said drug dealers lived across the street. Hey guys, Dave here. One of the most common questions I get asked on my TikTok and on my YouTube channel is, Dave, how do you always find such amazing stuff at yard sales? I go to yard sales and never find anything. Well, this video was a really good summary of many yard sales I go to. You'll notice that I didn't buy a single thing this whole video. And I thought, normally people do not even post this kind of video. They normally just throw away the footage and say, hey, I didn't buy anything. There's no flips here, right? There's no flips. But my name is the NC Picker. And I go out picking and sometimes I don't get to pick anything because I just don't find anything I want to buy. And that's what this was. It was a case of not finding anything I wanted to buy. But I still think, you know, the interaction was fun, hanging out with people was fun, meeting new people was fun, went out with my mom, and I think most likely you guys will enjoy it. Some of the stories were funny. Totally weird that house I went to look at. I actually went, I was shopping for houses in Florida, and I went and looked at that house. I actually walked the house. The homeowner wasn't there. Walked the house and said, it's not really right for our family, and ended up not getting it. I mean, I think you saw the floors were, missing like linoleum or carpet or whatever, you know, the floors weren't complete. There was a lot of issues with that house that made me decide not to buy it. But then come to find out at the yard sale like 3 weeks later that across the road there's a drug dealer and there's been 3 dead bodies pulled out of the house. Meaning that I'm really glad I didn't buy that house. Kind of scary, especially since I have 3 kids. But it did actually tell me, so out of this video, 2 of the houses you saw in this video, I actually walked through considering buying 3 to 4 weeks ago. Right? I came down to Florida house hunting and I went to all these houses that were for sale, and I actually decided not to buy those ones. But it's funny because a lot of the stuff they were selling, I saw when I went and looked at their house considering buying it. So anyways, I just thought that was kind of cool. You know, it's a secret. This isn't really a valuable secret, but it's a pretty funny secret. If you go house hunting, get in the real estate business, then you'll get a good idea of what people are going to sell at their yard sales. Not a good strategy. Just making a joke. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unconventional video, an NC Picker video where I find nothing. Now, the next video, stay tuned. It's later in this same day, and I got a ton of killer items. So, ooh, no pun intended with the earlier murder. Anyways, but yeah, really awesome items in the next video. So make sure you come back, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell.